In 2026,
Most valuable job in tech is the solution architect. They are the invisible minds behind the apps you use every day, the website that connects billions, and the systems doctors rely on. But here's the shocking truth: the skills that got solution architects hired yesterday will get them fired tomorrow. The world is changing so fast. If you miss this one shift, you won't just fall behind, you will disappear from the tech race. Don't let that happen. You just need two new powers to stay relevant. So, here's the truth: to become a world class solution architect, you need only two powers. One is technical power, the cold, machine driven skills that runs our world, and the other is human power, the rare abilities no robot can replace. If you ignore either, you'll vanish, but if you master both, you'll become unstoppable. Let's start with the first power, the technical side. The first technical power is cloud mastery. Stop thinking of the cloud as just Google Drive. It's the essential skill a solution architect needs. Imagine saving your photos on Google Drive. You put them once, you can open them anywhere. That's the cloud.
by 2026,
Every company will be moving all their apps, files, and secrets into this worldwide drive. The risk, not knowing the cloud, is like having a car with no fuel. You can sit in, but you can't move. The power, you become the person who builds the digital homes where companies run their whole lives. The person who controls this space controls the future. And if you think cloud is powerful, wait until you see what happens when the machine themselves start to think. The second technical skill is AI and automation. If you're still doing manual tasks, you're not a solution architect. You are a middleman. Robots aren't just in movies, they are inside your computer too.
2026,
Four companies will be using AI to work faster. As an essay, you're the teacher for smart helpers. You design systems that fix themselves or roll out updates with one click. Your job is to build intelligent systems that make millions of lives easier. But being smart means being safe. With all this new power comes a big question: how do we keep our secrets safe from hackers trying to break in? The third technical skill is security. A single weakest link in any system isn't the code, it's the gap in your security plan. We all lock our doors at night, but in the digital world, hackers are always looking for a way in. One weak link and everything you built collapses in seconds. If you master security, you become the digital shield. You're not just protecting data, you're protecting the most valuable thing a company has: the trust.
in 2026,
Trust is the new money. But if you're thinking mastering the cloud, robots, and security will make you unstoppable, you're wrong. The next set of skills are about the one thing no AI can copy: being human. The first human power is communication. Here's the secret: the best solution architect are the best storytellers. You're the bridge. Developers speak in code, business people speak in money, and your job is to connect them in simple words. Don't say we are increasing system redundancy. Instead, say this prevents crashes every week, saving us $50K in lost time. That's it. Simple to explain, easy to agree. Simple language doesn't just inform, it builds trust. But even if people understand you, that doesn't mean they trust you. That's where the next power begins. The second human power is empathy. Technology without this one thing is just a bridge leading nowhere. Empathy is seeing a solution through the user's eyes. The app that understands human frustration always wins. For an essay, empathy turns code into impact. It pushes you to ask, how will this affect the tired nurse using it at 3 am? Or is this process too complicated for the new employee? Empathy makes people feel like the product was built just for them. Empathy alone isn't enough. The world is unpredictable, and the final human power is the one that helps you bend without breaking. The third human power is adaptability. Systems will break, technology will evolve. That is how you survive. Change is the only constant in tech. New tools, new threads, new ways of working. The ones who freeze under pressure get left behind. But the ones who adapt, who treat problems as puzzles, become unstoppable. The best architects don't fear problems, they chase them, because each challenge is a chance to grow stronger. Adaptability isn't about surviving change, it's about turning problems into progress. But here's the twist. Even if you master all 6 powers, there's one final truth you can't ignore. It's the difference between being replaceable and being unforgettable. Here's the final truth most people miss. Skills can be copied, mindset cannot. Cloud will evolve, AI will change, security will get stronger, but your ability to keep learning, keep experimenting, and keep adapting, that's the one thing no one can take from you. The line between being replaceable and being remembered isn't talent. It's the mindset to grow, stay curious, and lead with both logic and heart. That's your real power. The journey is only the beginning. Your tech skills or your tools, or your human skills or your superpowers. Master both to build the systems people rely on every day. Now tell me in the comments, if your tech side is strong, which human power will you sharpen next? Communication, empathy, or adaptability? Let me know below. And if this video helped you, subscribe and share it. Don't just scroll past the future, be the one who shapes it.